This is a mature cherry tree around 8 years old. Variety is Germensdorf cherry, German origin. This is a classic cherry variety harvested in the mid-late season. Flowering is late and is therefore suitable for difficult and mountainous areas with a late frost. It is not a self-fertile variety, and it's necessary to mix it in the planting with appropriate pollinators. The size of the fruit is satisfactory, 28 mm, and has a very good response to the market. Harvesting this variety is quite easy due to the long stem. A rootstock is mazzard, the most vigorous rootstock that you can find for cherries. This branch is growth from the last year. In the base of the 1-year-old branch, cherry produce the most quality fruit. Also, cherry tree produce fruit on this type of the buds. So we are gonna remove 1-year-old branch and leave this small stub where fruit will be. You can see here from the last year where fruit was. So that part when you pick fruit will die and you can remove it. Clean your tools with alcohol to reduce chance of the tree become infected. Remove branch, just leave the base and remove dead wood from the last year. Cut the top of the branch in that way that last bud grow outside of the canopy. You can leave this side branch, but also choose a bud that grows in the space you want to fill. This branch will intertwine with others, so prune it, but remember to leave the base. Same thing here, remove all branches, just leave a little stub. All branches that grows inside of canopy must be removed. Here is a good example of branches growth. This is a growth from the last year. Another year, and another year. You can remove this upper part of the branch to allow the tree to spread. You don't want your fruit to fall to the ground, so prune all branches that are weak and under the heavy load of the fruit. This branch is weak and will not have enough light inside the canopy to produce quality fruit, so remove it. This branch became too dominant, so we remove it. Use a small saw to do as little damage to the bark as possible. When you make such a large cuts on the wood, apply wax to protect it from water, bacteria and viruses. For the top of the branches, use loppers. Also, this big branch needs to be removed. Don't forget wax for protection.